Hello friends, here is Brinder sir, and today is very special for you guys. And after watching this video, you must like and comment and share it to your friends. So before I teach this lesson, you people must keep a book with you so that you can understand it very easy. A letter to God written by J.L. Florence of your first flat book. So we will talk about the main character. Main character is Lencho. He is a farmer. So let's start from the very beginning. He was a farmer. His house was on the crest of a low hill. It was the only house in an entire valley. He cultivated corn. The only things his cornfield needed was a downpour. Woman, a lady, maybe Lenzo Waps was preparing supper. She then called the older boy working in the field for dinner. She also called the younger boy who were playing near the house for dinner. And then what happened? Let's see. Lenzo prayed for rain. Suddenly, hug mountains of cloud approached from the northeast. The air was fresh and sweet. Lenzo went out to feel the pressure on his body. Considered rain drop as a new coins. Big drop rain 10-cent pieces. A small drop rain 5-cent pieces. My dear friends, after looking this all things, Lencho becomes very happy. He thought that this is a rain, but it was not a rain. So let's see in the next paragraphs. So he was very satisfied with the wrap cone with its flower. Field was draped in a certain of rain. But suddenly what happened? Let's see. A strong wind began to blow along with rain. Hailstones began to fall. Hailstones were like a silver coin. Boys collected the frozen spears. It took place for an hour. Everything were white due to as if covered with salt. My dear friends, after looking this all things, Lenzo becomes very sad. He thought that this is not rain, this is hailstones, and it can destroy our crops. So what happened? Let's see its effect. Its effect is here. Everything was destroyed. Corn was destroyed. Field was white due to hailstone. No leaf flower on the plants or trees. Lento thought that a plague of locusts would left more than this. Lento was depressed since they had nothing to eat that year. Yes, he was depressed because he thought that there is no one who can help him. And he believed in gods. He believed himself. He believed in nature. So let's see whether he can find out its solution or not. Let's see from the next paragraph. So my dear friends, here is your next paragraph. His first reaction is here. At first he was depressed, but later had a ray of hope. Help from God. He said that no one dies of hunger, and after a few minutes he talks with his family. He says that we don't need to worry about anything because God is here who can help us. So we don't need to worry about anything. So he decided to write a letter to God. So what he writes in first letter, let's see. He began to write a letter. He began to write a letter. He said that if God did not help him and family, they would go hungry. He asked 100 pesos to sow his field again. He wrote everything about the mishappening as well. Put the letter in an envelope. He went to the town. He placed a stamp on the letter and finally he dropped it into the mailbox. So after dropping the letter into the mailbox, he becomes happy. He thought that now we will get the reply from the God side and we will come back again. So what's happened next? Let's see in the next paragraph. Postman. Postman started laughing. After receiving the letter, and he went to the postmaster, and he showed the letter to the postmaster, and he said to the postmaster he had never seen such kind of letter in his lap. That's why postman started laughing and laughing. But what happened in this duration? Let's see in the next paragraph. Postmaster, and let's talk about something about postmaster. Postmaster was fat, a member fellow. He was very pitiable. He also started laughing at first, and after a few minutes he became serious. He wished he too had such a faith in God. He did not want Lencho to lose his faith in God. He thought to answer the letter. He started collecting money from the employees, his friends, and he himself for and act for charity. He collected 20 pesos and kept in an envelope and wrote God on the envelope. Actually, postmaster was very amiable. He was very pitiable. That's why he decided to collect the money, but he got only 20 pesos, and finally he kept it into the envelope, and finally he got wrote God on it. And the next knowing, let's see what happened. Lencho went to post office early. Postman handed him the letter. Postmaster looked at them by sitting in his office. Actually, postmaster wanted to see his expression, whether he becomes happy or not. But what happened after receiving the letter? The Lencho become angry. Let's see why does he become angry. He was not surprised at first because he knew that he would get the reply from God. He became angry because he found only 20 pages. He knew that God who could never make mistakes. My dear friends, he got angry because he got 20 pages, and he knows very well God cannot make a mistake while counting, while giving anything. That's why he got angry. So let's see what happened. So my dear friends, he decided to write a second letter to the gods. So what does he write in the second letter? Let's see. He went up to the window and he asked for the paper and ink. He put the paper on public writing table and wrote the letter. He wrote that he got only 20 pages. He wanted the rest of 30 pages. He said not to send the money in the post office. He said to send through mail. He he called the post office employee bunch of crook. Bunch of crook means cheater. He finished When he finished, went to the window, bought a stamp, linked the stamp and affixed to the envelope with the envelope of his fist and dropped into the mailbox. At last, the postmaster becomes very curious to know what has written in his second letter. So he went to the mailbox and read the letter. Actually, as you know, if you have a faith in God, then God can help you one day. It may one day he can come becoming a messenger. So we should also keep a faith in God. Even we should keep a faith himself so that we can achieve our goal very easy. We can be strong by keeping faith himself. So my dear friends, so postmaster was very curious to know the letter what he has written. So you people just think what has he written. So this chapter is end of here. So each and every lesson give us a moral lesson. So let's see what are the moral in this lesson. Have faith in God. My dear friends, have faith in God. 4. He would always help us in any possible way. My dear friends, yeah, this is right. If you have a faith in God, then God can help you in any possible. So this is a key, this is a weapon to get success in our lab. This is the model by which you can keep balance of your body, of your minds. So this lesson is end up now. So my dear friends, one thing I just want to tell you, this is the lesson. It's very good for you, and you must write some important topics on your note copy. That will be good for you guys. So thank you for watching. Till then, bye bye and have a good day.